Alright, so this is the redo of part 2 because there was something that I didn't want, so. Yeah, Brian had to be devious and obviously text this. Like that. And now he's being so disgusting. Alright. Alright, let me get the law enforcement warning going here, then I'll end this part because we actually succeeded in making this law enforcement warning. So, yeah, I'll show you guys. Yes, I did make an error. I really don't care.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Ohio State Police. Please do not go out now. This is a very important message. A man, in his 30s, and known name, 6 feet 8 inches tall, was released in jail and is armed. Please do not go near the suspect. Please call 911 if you have any information.
Hey, what do you say? Alright, I'm gonna end this. So we're gonna be done. So if you guys want a part 3, what? If you guys want a part 3, shush, Brian. If you guys want a part 3, let me know. Stop interrupting me while I'm trying to say something.
Hey, look, it's Torbius.
Ew, Brian, you shouldn't be saying that in my recordings. Alright, you know what? Mute yourself. Mute yourself. If you guys want a part 3, let me know, because that's not coming out tonight because we're going to be done making EAS mocks for tonight. Or maybe we'll put one more in. I don't know. But if we do, I'll be sure to get that. So, alright. I'll talk to you guys later. Boy!